What's going on, future entrepreneurs? I am back with another crypto project on the screen. As you can see, we're going to be looking at Pegasus.cx here in just a minute. But before we get into that, you can go ahead and pause the video, come back and read the disclaimer at your own timing. It pretty much just says, I'm not a financial advisor. If you need one, go talk to a CPA or someone that has professional financial advice that they can give to you, which is not me. I'm only promoting this video so I can show you guys another way that you can make a little bit of money here and there. These programs are in a high risk category, so high risk normally comes with high rewards, but it's normally a give and a take. You don't always win, sometimes you lose. And don't forget, guys, go ahead and give me the LNS special. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't have to miss any more of my videos that I put out if you like this particular content. Now let's get into today's video. Today we're looking at Pegasus.cx, and as you can see, it's showing a balance of 0.71 cents. I put in $50, and it's supposed to be paying 1.5% daily for 200 days. Let me hit the refresh button just to make sure that it has the correct balance as of right now. And it looks like it's just not, look like it's refreshing. There we go, let me go. It may log me. I don't have to use my authenticator. Okay, that's for balance. So right now we're on day number 2 with Pegasus. And again, let's go ahead and pull up my calculator so I can calculate how much has been, what the percentage has been over the last 2 days, or just over the last 24 hours. I'm gonna do 0.71%, and we're gonna divide that by 50 and see what that percent comes to. The percent comes to 0.14, so we're at close to 1.5, but not quite there. Let's see what else we have. Oh, I'm sorry, they have dividends over here as well. I forgot to add those in, but okay, so we have the $50, and we have, well, let me go ahead and do it backwards while I'm doing it that way, just to see if that amount is the correct amount. Just going to do the way to figure that out is you're going to do 50, and you're going to multiply that times 1.5%. 1.5, hit the percent button, and that says it gives you pretty much 1.5 a day. And right now it looks like we're on 0.999217 USD, and it says you earn 71 cents, so that looks like it's a little bit more than that. So let's go through the tabs on here. We deposited, which we already made our deposit. Okay, looks like you have to, I guess that's to make another one. No, we're not gonna make another deposit today. The withdrawal. Most of these programs, you make the bulk of your money in the referral system. I mean, this is how most of them work. You can make the money on this end, but you make more money on the referral system when you refer to someone else. That's not anything that I'm trying to hide, but that's just how they have these programs set up. You may earn like 5, 6, 7. Some programs say 8, 9, 10%, depending on what how much you put in. And that's how most people make the bulk of their money in these particular systems. Now, this system is one that I do like. It's not really as pretty looking as the rest. Doesn't have the graphics are not as appealing to the eye. But as long as it's paying out, I'm willing to give it a shot. And I won't, again, in none of my videos moving forward, I won't be putting any links until I verify that they do pay and that I'll be able to receive the withdrawal in my wallet. And once I see that, then I'll go ahead and I'll put it into the description. I don't want to give you guys any other way to, I just want to take the risk ahead of you taking the risk. I'll take the risk first, and if it's still working, I'll go ahead and put the links down in the description. Right now I don't have any referrals because I'm not referring anybody. I'm not going to be putting the link down probably until for this program, probably the next couple of days. The other program is I'm earning faster, so tomorrow I'll probably end up seeing in that one. So it's saying 10 cents have been earned in dividends, and it's like this is something that's separate. The dividends is separate from the from your deposit, so it looks like you're earning 2 separate ways. Because I only have one type of crypto in this particular platform. Most of them have multiple. You can have crypto, you can have Bitcoin, you can have Ethereum, you can have USDT, and you can have multiple payouts in one particular platform, which is not bad. No withdrawals. I haven't made any just yet, and it's showing the earnings. It's showing the earnings is 71 cents, which is 1.5%, and it's showing that was on yesterday. So I'm assuming around this time. Looked like that was close to midnight. It looked like around midnight is when I'll receive my next payment. So right now it's right at 71 cents. So around tomorrow it'll probably be around 1:40 once they add that into the program. So the payout address is pretty much where you're going to add your address when you go to your crypto wallet. If you don't know how to do that, just comment down below and I'll show you guys how to do that as well. Settings is pretty much more likely where you're going to add your addresses, your crypto addresses, when you want to come in and update password, a referral code, change your email address, password. They also have 2FA. You can enable it or not. I have mine enabled, so every time I log in or log out, it's going to ask me for my 2FA code. And it's pretty much just a withdrawal address. You can pretty much name your withdrawal address, so it doesn't have a really set up where you just, there's each block where there's a name and you just put it in. On here you can just put in a name of the wallet, like if I want to put Coinbase, or if I just want to put Bitcoin, I can just put Bitcoin and just put the address, and that's it. That's it for this one, guy. I mean, that's pretty much, it's pretty simple on this one. Pretty much just going to be 1.5% for the next 200 days. If the system lasts that long, 200 days is close to a year, so I'm not sure if it'll last that long. I'm not sure how long it's been up, maybe a month or so. But as long as it's up, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. If it does start to have issues, I'll show those to you as well. Just put any other platform that has issues, I'll address those and I'll bring them to you and let you know what's going on as an update. That's it, guys. It's the Passive Income Trucker. Give me the LNS special once again. The like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions about not just this one, but anything that I'm in. Hit the notification bell. So share the video with someone if you think they can use it. It's the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.